Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? This is live price prediction, but please subscribe our YouTube channel if you want to earn money in a crypto, if you want to get a profit. Thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscribers. Let's see, my friends, to what's on the graph. And this time, my friend, this chart is completely told you, my friends, to after a sharp fails, every coin will get a very good profit. But definitely, my friend, here is this line, as you can see, my friend, is very great now. That's clear, my friends, too. My friend, this coin will moving upward now. Otherwise, a lot of coins, my friends, were not moving upward, so therefore the holder says, my friends, too, this is going to be garbage, this is not good. But I think he is going to be wrong now, my friend. In those days, a lot of coins were fails down, but just in only, my friend, as you can see here, my friend, this coin will just in only get a very good profit. Hedera Hashgraph plus 67.95% get a profit, and just in only last 1 month. So I am so happy they will get this huge profit. But please, my friend, if you also want to get a profit like that, so this is very important, my friends, to you will understand better and to what we will need to do now here. So I hope you understand my opinion. Is for all of you to please hold what's your opinion, share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.